Nature's Healing TV presents Natural Cure for Hemorrhoids. Fast and powerful home remedies that bring real relief. Have you been suffering in silence from piles, also known as hemorrhoids? Do you feel sharp pain when sitting down? Do you experience itching, burning, swelling, or bleeding after using the toilet? Have you tried creams and medicines, but the problem keeps coming back? If your answer is yes, then this message may be exactly what you need. Today, you will discover powerful natural remedies and traditional healing methods that have helped many people find fast relief from piles. These remedies focus on reducing inflammation, stopping pain, shrinking swollen veins, improving digestion, and preventing constipation, the root cause of most hemorrhoids. Stay with me until the end, because I will also reveal a simple morning drink and a nighttime healing routine that can help you recover naturally. What are piles? Hemorrhoids, piles, or hemorrhoids, are swollen veins in the lower rectum and anus. They are similar to varicose veins that appear in the legs. When pressure builds up in these veins, they become enlarged and inflamed, causing pain, itching, and sometimes bleeding. Hemorrhoids can be internal, located inside the rectum; external, located under the skin around the anus; prolapsed internal hemorrhoids that protrude outside the anus; thrombosed hemorrhoids containing blood clots that cause severe pain. Common symptoms of piles: bright red blood during bowel movements, pain when sitting, itching around the anus, burning sensation, swelling or lump near the anus, mucus discharge, feeling of incomplete bowel movement. Main causes of piles. Understanding the cause is the first step toward healing. Chronic constipation. Hard stool causes straining, which puts pressure on rectal veins. Low fiber diet. Diets lacking fruits, vegetables, and whole grains contribute to constipation. Sitting too long. Long periods of sitting increase pressure on the anal region. Pregnancy. Hormonal changes and increased abdominal pressure can trigger hemorrhoids. Obesity. Excess body weight places additional pressure on pelvic veins. Heavy lifting. Repeated lifting increases abdominal pressure. Dehydration. Insufficient water leads to hard stools. Aging. Supporting tissues weaken over time. 1. Aloe Vera, nature's soothing healer. Aloe vera is one of the most trusted traditional remedies for hemorrhoids. It contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce swelling and calm irritation. Benefits of aloe vera: relieves itching and burning, reduces inflammation, promotes tissue healing, provides cooling relief. How to use: cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and extract the clear gel. Apply directly to the affected area 2 to 3 times daily. You may also refrigerate the gel for additional soothing. 2. Witch hazel, natural vein shrinker. Witch hazel has long been used to reduce swelling and tighten tissues. Benefits: shrinks swollen veins, reduces bleeding, calms itching, acts as a natural astringent. How to use: soak a cotton ball in alcohol-free witch hazel and apply gently to the hemorrhoids. Repeat after each bowel movement. 3. Coconut oil, natural moisturizer and healer. Virgin coconut oil contains healthy fatty acids that moisturize and soothe inflamed skin. Benefits: reduces irritation, prevents dryness, supports healing, helps reduce discomfort. How to use: apply a small amount directly to the affected area twice daily. 4. Warm Sitz Bath, fast pain relief. A Sitz Bath is one of the simplest and most effective remedies. Benefits: improves blood circulation, reduces swelling, relieves pain and itching, promotes healing. How to prepare: fill a basin or bathtub with warm water. Sit in it for 15 to 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times daily. You may add Epsom salt, a few drops of coconut oil, chamomile tea. 5. Psyllium Husk, the constipation solution. Psyllium is a natural fiber that softens stool and reduces straining. Benefits: prevents constipation, makes bowel movements easier, reduces recurrence of hemorrhoids. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon in a glass of water and drink once daily. Always follow with extra water. 6. Papaya, traditional digestive remedy. Papaya contains enzymes and fiber that improve digestion and prevent constipation. Benefits: softens stool naturally, reduces straining, supports gut health. How to use: eat ripe papaya every morning on an empty stomach. 7. Figs, Anjir, classic herbal support. Soaked figs are widely used in traditional medicine. How to use: Soak 2 to 3 dried figs overnight. Eat them in the morning and drink the soaking water. Repeat in the evening. 8. Garlic, natural anti-inflammatory support. Garlic has compounds that support circulation and reduce inflammation. How to use. Consume 1 crushed garlic clove with food if tolerated. Avoid direct application to the anal area, as it may cause irritation. 9. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Benefits. Reduces swelling, relieves pain, supports healing. How to use. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in warm milk and drink at night. 10. Bananas, natural stool softener. Ripe bananas are rich in soluble fiber and potassium. Benefits. Promotes easy bowel movements, reduces straining. How to use. Eat 1 to 2 ripe bananas daily. The powerful morning drink for piles. This drink helps improve digestion and prevent constipation. Ingredients. 1 glass of warm water. Juice of half a lemon. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 teaspoon psyllium husk. Preparation. Mix thoroughly and drink every morning on an empty stomach. Nighttime healing routine. Take a warm Sitz Bath. Gently dry the area. Apply aloe vera gel or coconut oil. Drink warm turmeric milk. Sleep on your side to reduce pressure. Foods to eat for fast recovery. Oats, brown rice, spinach, carrots, apples, pears, watermelon, papaya, beans, yogurt. Foods to avoid. Spicy foods if they worsen symptoms. Excess alcohol. Highly processed foods. Low-fiber diets. Excessive caffeine if dehydrating. Lifestyle changes that prevent piles. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Exercise regularly. Do not delay bowel movements. Avoid prolonged sitting on the toilet. Use a small footstool during bowel movements. Maintain a healthy weight. How long does natural healing take? Mild hemorrhoids may improve within a few days. More severe cases may take several weeks. Consistency is the key. Important warning signs. Seek medical care promptly if you experience heavy or persistent bleeding, severe pain, fever, significant swelling, symptoms that do not improve. Final healing message. Piles can be painful and frustrating, but they are often manageable with natural remedies and healthy habits. Aloe vera cools and heals, which Hazel helps reduce swelling. Coconut oil soothes irritated tissues. Papaya, bananas, and psyllium keep stools soft. Turmeric supports the body's healing process. Warm Sitz Baths provide fast comfort. Remember, lasting relief comes from treating the root cause: constipation, straining, and poor digestive habits. Your body has an incredible ability to heal when you nourish it properly and give it consistent care. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who may be suffering in silence. And may your body be restored to comfort, strength, and complete wellness naturally. Follow Nature's Healing TV for more. This video is for educational and traditional knowledge purposes only, and it's not a substitute for professional medical advice or diagnosis. So be warned.